Saturn is one of the most mysterious and beautiful objects in our solar system. Its rings and many satellites make it unique and fascinating to study. In this text, we will delve into the mysteries of Saturn, its rings, composition, and amazing satellites. Saturn is a gas giant, the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Its diameter is about 120,000 kilometers, which is about 9 times the diameter of Earth. Saturn is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium, and its density is so low that if you could put it in a giant ocean, it would float. But Saturn's main calling card is its rings. They are so unique that Saturn is often referred to as the planet of the rings. Saturn's rings are a true cosmic masterpiece. They are made up of billions of particles of ice, rock, and dust that orbit around the planet. These particles can range in size from a speck of dust to huge icebergs. The rings look smooth and uniform from afar, but they are actually made up of many separate structures. Width and thickness. The main rings extend about 280,000 kilometers from Saturn, but they are only a few tens of meters thick. This incredible combination of scales is what makes Saturn's rings so impressive. Scientists are still arguing about how the rings came to be. They may have formed from the remnants of a collapsed satellite or comet caught in Saturn's gravitational field. Others believe that the rings appeared together with the planet. Although the rings appear to be uniformly colored, they are composed of several belts that vary in brightness and composition. These differences depend on the size of the particles and their chemical composition. Saturn's satellites. Saturn has more than 80 satellites, and each one is unique. Here are a few of the most amazing ones. Titan. Titan is Saturn's largest satellite and the second largest satellite in the solar system after Ganymede. It is covered in a thick atmosphere made up mostly of nitrogen and has lakes, rivers, and seas ... but of methane and ethane. The temperature on Titan is so low that the water there is in a solid state, and the liquid on the surface is hydrocarbons. Scientists believe there may be a hidden ocean under Titan's icy crust where life is possible. Enceladus. This small satellite is astonishingly active. Geysers constantly erupt from its surface, ejecting water, ice, and organic matter. Scientists believe that beneath Enceladus' icy shell is a global ocean heated by internal thermal processes. This ocean is one of the most promising places to look for life beyond Earth. Japet. Japet is famous for its strange contrasts. One half of its surface is as dark as coal, while the other half is bright and icy. The reasons for this phenomenon are still a mystery. Mimas. This satellite is often compared to the Death Star from Star Wars because of the huge Herschel crater that occupies most of its surface. Hyperion. Hyperion is a chaotically rotating satellite with an unusual, spongy surface. Its porous structure makes it unique among other objects in the solar system. Interesting facts about Saturn. A day on Saturn lasts only 10.5 hours. It is one of the fastest rotating planets in the solar system. Seasons on Saturn vary due to its tilted axis, and each season lasts about 7 Earth years. Magnetic field. Saturn has a powerful magnetic field that creates stunning auroras at its poles. Clouds. Saturn's upper atmosphere is covered with clouds that form bands similar to those seen on Jupiter. Sometimes giant storms appear on Saturn, visible even from Earth. Why is Saturn so important to science? Saturn and its satellites provide a unique laboratory for studying many processes in the solar system. Satellites like Titan and Enceladus can provide clues about how life may have arisen. Saturn's rings help scientists understand how the planets and satellites formed. The Cassini mission, which ended in 2017, provided a wealth of data about Saturn and its satellites. Thanks to it, we learned that Saturn is much more than just a beautiful planet with rings. It is a whole world of mysteries that are yet to be solved. Saturn is a true cosmic gem. Its rings are breathtaking in their beauty and scale, and its satellites offer scientists incredible opportunities for exploration. This planet reminds us how amazing our solar system is and how many more mysteries it holds. If you are interested in such exciting stories about planets and space, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share this video with your friends.